Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosa. Today I'm going to share with you a little mini grocery haul that I went to the store and got for the week. So let's get into this video. Alright, so to start off, we got a loaf of bread. This is just some really good bread that is by the brand Pingo. This bread was €1.09. Next we have here some spray oil. This was $2 something. I'll leave the prices on the screen while I'm telling you what they are. Next I got some oyster sauce, and this is just because I am planning on making homemade ramen, although I just can't find a good recipe for it. If you've made homemade ramen before, let me know down in the comments below how you make it. So this was $3 something. Then I got 2 jars of tomato and basil sauce. I just like using these for lasagnas or anything that will need a good Italian sauce. Then I got a small jar of tomato puree. These are getting really expensive. The big version was €2.09. This one was $1.29. So, and they're so little. I don't even think there's probably 500 milliliters in this. Yeah, 500 grams. Next, I got some meat. This is pork. It says it's the leg of the pork, and it was on sale, $4.93. Then I also got some shrimp that was on sale, just to probably make some shrimp pasta. I got 718 grams, and it was $8.67 per kilo, so that came to be a total of $6.23. Next, I got some sugar. I was meaning to go to the store to get the sugar, and I almost forgot it. This was $1.39 for a kilo of sugar. Next, I got some ham, and this was $1.95. I got some Saint-Georges cheese. This is $3.12. It was on sale for $13.49 a kilo, and there's 232 grams here of cheese. I got some Parmigiano cheese. This cheese was $1.75. Got 2 bags of mozzarella cheese. They were $1.89 each. I got some chorizo, which is just a Portuguese sausage cut into slices. I guess you could. It's sandwich meat. It's $1.56. I paid $1.56 for it. It's $9.89 a kilo. Then I got some pepperoni. This was $3.29. Next, I got this mixed salad that just has 2 different types of cabbage and some shredded carrot, and that was $2.07. Then I got 2 different types of apples. I got the Smith apple. I only got one of it. It was 48 cents. And then I got 3 Royal Gala apples, and those were 92 cents. Then for vegetables, I got a cucumber. My cucumber was 49 cents, $2.99 a kilo. I then got some cherry tomatoes. My cherry tomatoes were $1.65, and they were $6.22 a kilo. And then I got some carrots. And the carrots were 54 cents, and they charged me $1.23 a kilo. After that, I also got some grapes. The grapes were $3.52 that I paid, and they were $4.89 a kilo. Almost forgot the yogurt. I got some Greek natural yogurt. No sugar inside of that one. The Greek yogurt was $1.89. And then over here, if you can see this is pizza dough. I was going to make my own pizza dough, but that's just good to have on hand for convenience. It's faster. It's not as good as the homemade kind, but like I said, it's practical to have on hand. The pizza dough was $1.19. And last but not least, I got some napkins. These are just good to have on hand. Mine were almost done. I like to use these for lunches and also dinners. So that's a must-have at home. And those were 79 cents. So next I went to, well, first I went to the Chinese store. And if you don't know what a Chinese store is here, it's kind of like an all-purpose store. There's no food in it, but there is clothes and home items. And so I went and got a silicone spoon so I don't scratch my Dutch oven and another pan that I bought. And this was $3.95. I also bought this candle burner or wax burner, or you can also even use essential oils here. You just put in the mini candle, like the tea light, and then you add in your wax or essential oil. I think everyone knows what this is. This was also $3.95. And that's pretty much it. That's all I bought today. Oh, I also bought a chocolate croissant for Luigi and a Red Bull, but he already ate that. At Doce, I spent 56 euros and 23 cents. There it is if you want to see it. 56 euros and 23 cents. As I was doing, as I was grocery shopping, my mom was with me and I told her, I bet you I'm going to waste at least 50 euros. And I was correct. At the Chinese store, I did buy some thread for my mother. It was the only thing she had in her hand, so I just grabbed it from her and bought it. And I spent $9.70 there, so yeah, things are expensive nowadays, but it's the normal. Not surprised. It just hurts my heart a little bit every time I go to the store. And yeah, that is pretty much all I bought today. I didn't want to spend all this money. The fact is that I went to the store just to buy sugar, and I bought all of this stuff. So really, the sugar cost me 56 euros. Does that ever happen to you? Well, it happens to me all the time. Anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my grocery haul. It's something that I've seen that a lot of people have been liking to see, which is the prices in Portugal. I myself enjoy watching grocery hauls. I usually watch from the States or from Canada, and I'm always so surprised on the price differences, but we also have to consider that minimum wage per hour is much different in our countries. So, yes, once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button so I know that this is the type of content that you like to watch. Subscribe so you don't miss future content if you're not already subscribed. And comment down below anything that you would like to tell me, anything that you would like to see from me. I'm very curious on what types of video that I should make next. Anyways, I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.